Hey CQ, Carissa Tom here with Joseph Chacon. We are at our newest listing, 10755 Walnut Canyon Road in Southwest Albuquerque.
So this home is featuring 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. The primary bedroom is on the bottom floor. You have a loft upstairs, you have a living area downstairs, open concept from dining to kitchen with a Tesla solar panel system on the roof. Let's go take a look at this one.
Upon entry to the right-hand side, you're going to notice a large kitchen with plenty of counter space and cabinets for storage. And from the kitchen, you walk into a semi-open living concept with a dining area. Also, you have a half powder bath to the side into your main living space. And the sweet spot of this home, you do have a main primary bedroom on the bottom floor, including a full bathroom with double vanity sink, garden tub, a private toilet, and you do have a walk-in shower.
All right, going up the stairs, on the right-hand side, you have a large upstairs loft with north-facing windows and plenty of space for that second living area. Coming down the hall, on the left-hand side, you got your first bedroom. The thing about all of these bedrooms, they all have walk-in closets, which is quite impressive. Second bedroom down the hall has 3 windows, letting out plenty amount of light with that closet. And on the way down the hall, you're gonna have a his and her sink, as well as full bath. The other bedrooms down the hall do not disappoint with the full walk-in closet, each one featuring a decent sized window. Last bedroom on the hall also has a built-in entertainment system, plenty of space for storage on the storage shelves. The upstairs laundry space has an adequate amount of space, and with an additional laundry pole to hang all those clothes. Heading back downstairs to the backyard, you can notice that the backyard is an empty canvas, plenty of space to get creative with that backyard environment. This has been another listing presentation by the CQ Real Estate Group, powered by Keller Williams Realty. Thank you guys for watching. Please DM us if you have any questions or give us a call. Hope you guys have a beautiful rest of the week.